has been the main backbone for the entire organization for many, many years. And he has lovely friends and supporters, and from the team, Miss Malika and Sashika who are part of it also. And very happy that we have well-wishers and friends who are on board, especially from the south, which makes it much more easier and convenient for us. And Malika, want to say something?
I actually speak in English, so I would like Sashika to speak in Tamil, but I'll just say that this is a great opportunity for South India, especially in terms of modeling. And if you are interested in, pageantry, this is a great step. And I welcome aboard Karun Raman. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yes.
ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி பெரிய பேஜன் சவுத்தை ரெக்கக்னைஸ் பண்ணுறது வந்து ரொம்ப பெருமையாக இருக்குது. அண்ட் ஐ திங்க் பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் இஸ் ஹார்ட் ஒர்க் அவர் வந்து இப்போ பேஜன்ட்ரியில் வந்து கொரியோகிராஃபராக வந்திருக்கிறது வந்து இட்ஸ் ரியலி ரியலி நைஸ். ஸோ ஐம் ஹோப்பிங் தட் இது வந்து நம்ம சவுத்துக்கு இன்னும் விசிபிலிட்டி கிடைக்கும் நேஷ்னல் லெவலில். அண்ட் மிஸ்டர் பங்கஜ் சொன்ன மாதிரி ஓடிடி அந்த பெரிய சேனல்ஸ்லாம் பிளாட்ஃபார்ம்ஸில் வந்து நம்ம சவுத்தை வந்து கொஞ்சம் encourage பண்ணுற மாதிரி இருக்கும் வந்ததுன்னா. ஸோ we are really excited about the whole event as such, and really excited about Mr. India this year. And yeah, all the best, everyone.
Thank you.
Previous year.
New element is added. We are promoting more culture. We did national costume round, where from each and every state of India, the contestants who were selected, they promoted their national costume. Like from South, we have 3 contestants. They promoted different culture from South. They made it their national costume. So our main motto is to promote the culture along with pageantry. So we were the first people who started a national costume for a male pageant in India, and we did it this year.
Question to Mr. Karun. First time you are taking participants from South India. So what is something unique which you are going to offer to them?
Participants, huh? No, contestants have always, last time was there somebody from South?
Yes.
There was, okay, there have been a lot of people coming from the South also. This time we have 3 contestants from the South.
Yes.
And I have to just offer whatever I've learned from someone for the past 20 years. It's about it.
One contestant is here itself.
Yeah, one contestant, Sharik is over here.
Sharik is here.
And எனக்கும் பெருமை என்ன நம்ம ஊர்ல இருந்து பசங்க போறாங்கன்னு சொல்லிட்டு பிகாஸ் எல்லாமே டாலா வெள்ளையா இருக்கணும் அப்படிதான் எல்லாம் யோசிச்சுட்டாங்க. இப்போ நம்ம பசங்க அழகுதானே என்ன குறைச்சு நம்ம அப்படி சொல்லுவாங்க. So it's a good thing. What is less in dark skin boys? Everybody's the same. So
Everybody is same. For see, talent, I told you, it doesn't have skin color, fashion, and I believe South has more capability and more aura than other places because they have a real talent to show. And we always have a winner from South, that's for sure.
ஆக்சுவலி நாங்கள் மிஸ்டர் சவுத் இந்தியா பண்ணும்போது என்ன பங்கஜ் எங்ககிட்ட சொன்னாருன்னா யூஸ்வலாக வந்து எல்லா ரவுண்டும் பாஸ் பண்ணாதான் ஃபினாலே போக முடியும். ஸோ நம்ம சவுத் இந்தியா பண்ணும்போது ஏற்கனவே அந்த ரவுண்டெல்லாம் நம்மளுக்கு பண்ணாங்க அவங்க. ஸோ அந்த எல்லா ரவுண்டும் முடிச்சுட்டு யார் வின் பண்ணுறாங்களோ அவங்க டைரெக்டாகவே அவர் ஃபினாலேயில் எடுத்துக்கிட்டாரு. ஸோ ஆக்சுவலி இங்கே வின் பண்ணவங்க வந்து ஃபினாலேயில் போய் பண்ணி அங்கே சில டைட்டிலும் வின் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க அந்த இயற்கை. ஸோ இது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் இல்லை, கண்டஸ்டன்ஸ் எப்போவுமே பொறுத்து. பட் இப்போ இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் அவங்களுக்கு மோர் விசிபிலிட்டி அண்ட் கண்டஸ்டன்ஸ் மட்டும் இல்லாமல் டீமே வந்து நிறைய பேர் சவுத்தில் இருந்து போகிறது வந்து ஒரு பெரிய விஷயம்.
How do you feel, Karun, about being a part of Mr. Ranguru?
very, very happy because I've known Pankaj for 2 years now from the last contest they did. And I met him through Malika, Sasrika and through other persons. And from that, I never expected, because even though I'm well known for my work and I travel, I do a lot of work, I've always wanted to be associated with Mr. Pankaj. Thankfully it happens, and I think everything happens for a reason at the right place at the right time.
Right.
So I think this is my time to be associated with the brand, and I hope to be associated in the future also.
Of course, we have a long future plan.
அவர் வந்து நம்ம 2 வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னாடி பண்ணும்போது இவர் தான் ஜட்ஜா வந்தாரு.
ஆமா,
ஸோ
actually,
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் நம்ம சென்னையில் பண்ணும்போதும் அவர் he was a part of it.
I heard a lot about Karun. I'm like, okay, it was.
ஆனா நிறைய பேர் எதிர்க்காம இருந்தாங்க நான் பண்ணக்கூடாதுன்னு சொல்லிட்டு. ஆனா அவர் டிசைட் பண்ணி தான் பண்ணணும்னு சொல்லியிருக்காரு. ஏன்னா நிறைய பேர் வந்து பாம்பேல இருந்தும் நார்த்ல இருந்தும் எதுக்கு ஒரு சென்னை பையன் அவன் யாரு பார்த்து தப்பா சொல்றதுக்கு எதுவுமே இல்லை. குறை சொல்றது நிறைய பேர் இருக்காங்க. ஆனால் எதுக்கு சென்னை பையன் எதுக்கு நம்ம பணம் தரணும் சொல்லுங்க, தரத்துக்கு எந்த பிரச்சனையும் கிடையாது. அவரே டிசைட் பண்ணி அவர் வந்து முடிவு செஞ்சு அவர் சொன்ன மாதிரி நோ லெட்ஸ் கோன்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஸோ நான் இப்போ இருக்கேன். ஸோ நம்ம ஊருக்கு சந்தோஷம், நம்ம நாளைக்கு சந்தோஷம்.
தமிழ்நாட்டு பெருமையை காப்பாற்று.
நிச்சயமா I think it's nice that you say states.
Of course.
I'm sorry, but I think that also this is a great step for the future pageants through South India as well.
Yes,
We want to pull in a lot of talent. We want to make sure that everybody understands that we are here And
Malika said the very right thing. Actually, I'm so happy you said this because என்னன்னா வழக்கமா பேஜன்ஸ் பண்ணும்போது நிறைய பேர் மூளைக்குள் பேஜன்ஸ் பண்றாங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன காசு வாங்கினா மட்டும் போதாது, வாங்கினதுக்கு அப்புறம் அவங்களுக்கு வந்து there should be some future. So here there's a South Indian Rubaru, they know that the contestants who are winning have something after that. They can go to Mr. India after that.
See, we have a very basic plan. Once you win it, you go represent India. We have been also tied up with the talent promoting award in UK Parliament. So once the winner win here, they go and get an award in UK Parliament as well. And it's not that we have been tied up with all big agencies. They have been trained first and then they go step into an industry. And I'm very proud. I have a lot of winners from South who are doing very well. And that's what I think in future I expect.
it's a great platform. It's a huge platform to be a part of.
அவர் வந்து இல்லை அப்படின்னு சொல்றது இல்லை, அவங்களுக்கு அப்புறம் ஒரு கெரியர் ஓகே உங்களுக்கு நடிக்க பிடிக்குமா, நான் வந்து உங்களுக்கு வந்து பாலிவுட்ல வந்து யூனோ லைக் ஆடிஷன்ஸ் வாங்கி தரேன். நிறைய பேர் வந்து பெரிய பெரிய யூனோ சீரியல் ரியாலிட்டி ஷோஸ்லலாம் வந்து இங்கே வின் பண்ணவங்க அங்கேயும் போய் வின் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ இவருக்கு வந்து என்னன்னா டேலண்ட் ப்ரொமோட் பண்ணுறதுல தான் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட். ஸோ அதுக்கு ஒரு பிளாட்ஃபார்ம் வேணும், அதுதான் இது. ஸோ நீங்கள் வந்து மாடலிங்காக இருக்கட்டும் இல்லை ஆக்டிங்காக இருக்கட்டும் என்டர்டெயின்மெண்ட்ல இவர் டேலண்ட் ப்ரொமோட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு வந்து அவர்
நடுவில் நிறைய யூடியூப் வீடியோஸ் பார்த்துருப்பீங்க மாடலிங் பற்றி நிறைய பேர் பேசி, நானும் நிறைய வீடியோஸ் கொடுத்துருக்கேன். யாருமே கான்கிரீட்டா எந்த மாடலிங் இதை பற்றி பேசுறது கிடையாது. நிறைய பேஷன் நடந்திருக்கு, ஆனா கடைசியில ஒரு எப்படி சொல்றது ஒரு ஸ்டேபிளா ஒரு 2 வருஷம் 18 வருஷமா 17 years.
Yes, this is a 17th anniversary.
17th
We
anniversary.
made it in 2020, but because of COVID, and we are celebrating in 2021. But I'm glad that we are the first male pageant also to do this after COVID. No other national pageant is happening in such big time. So I'm very glad and happy that we are able to make it, and thanks to everyone because it wouldn't have been possible without each and every trainer or donor support. So I thanks Karun very much for that.
Thank you very much.
Reason for you to choose Mr. Karun?
See, to choose Karun, for me, I am very judgy and choosy to select anyone for a national pageant. Right before that, I always used to get from a Bombay, Bollywood, little bit choreographer, I don't want to name. But when I saw Karun works, I'm like, he has a real talent, and it's very important for some South people to come on a national platform and show the world that the talent is not only in Bombay, it's around India. So that's the reason I selected Karun. So I want the South to be promoted very.
2 வருஷம் அதை கண்டினியூ பண்ணதுக்கு 2 வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னாடி நாங்கள் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பங்கஜ் மீட் பண்ணி ருபுரு சவுத் பண்ணணும்னு சொல்லி அவர் தான் எங்களுக்கு சொன்னார். ஏன்னா அவர் தான் வந்து அவ்வளோ டேலண்ட் இருக்குது சவுத்தில், நீங்கள் வந்து ஏன் வந்து அதை ப்ரொமோட் பண்ண மாட்டீங்க, யாருக்கும் தெரியலன்னு சொல்லி அவர் தான் எங்களையே என்கரேஜ் பண்ணி அவர் டீமில் ஒரு பார்ட்டாக சேர்த்துட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் நம்ம வந்து ருபுரு சவுத் இந்தியா பண்ணதுங்க. ஆக்சுவலி அப்போதான் வந்து அவர் இங்க சென்னைக்கு வந்திருக்கும் போது இவங்க இருக்க டேலண்ட் எல்லாம் பார்த்துட்டு இல்லை கண்டிப்பா நம்ம வந்து அவங்க எல்லாருக்கும் நேஷனல் லெவல் விசிபிலிட்டி கொடுக்கணும், என்கரேஜ் பண்ணணும்னு சொல்லிட்டு அவர் அப்போவே பேசினாரு. பட் கோவிட்லாம் முடிச்சுட்டு இப்போ வந்து அதை ஆக்சுவலி வந்து பண்றாருன்னா அது ஒரு பெரிய விஷயம்.
சினிமா செலிபிரிட்டி யாரையா சார்?
There are a lot, but I can't name right now because of COVID. It's very unpredictable. But on digital, there are a lot of Bollywood celebrities who are involved in it. But I have a restrict with the bounds not to take a name till the time they are present. So I won't there. But yes, the industry, all experts are there. Let it be Amit Khanna Photography or from Pratik Bet, who is a top model from India, who is also a Guru ex-contestant of 2015. So we basically see our talent who are the past Guru Mr. India, and they are doing well in the industry. So we want them to come in and promote talent. So we have a family with them going together.
He's asking why isn't the finale happening in the South?
I was just discussing with him that I have a dream to do it in South. I need a right team and right people to do it. Next year I'll do it. Promise.
Because one of the Miss Worlds happened in Bangalore.
I know after that
nothing's
it didn't happen. But I'll do it, I promise you. Because we are the first people to do a national and international pageant also. Rublu has been tied with 70 countries all around the world. So we do our own national pageants and international pageants also. So it's been known as Supermodel Worldwide and Mr. Model Worldwide. So I'll definitely do it in South. That's what I was talking to him while I was coming from airport, that I wish to do something in South on the national level also.
No, but we're talking, we're talking terms also. We'll figure something out. I'm talking to some people also.
The traveling and concern about the safety is the major
Major thing, because COVID
that's
times
why
are-
we have restrict the guests also. When the contestants arrive in the hotel will be sealed and no one is allowed to go out. So the safety measures, it's the major concern about, because it's a national pageant and the safety is our main concern. So we are not allowing anyone to go and move out. So that's why we have booked the whole resort and we are staying within there. We have a finale, we have a training, and the beach is just next to the resort. So everything is within it. So that's the safety is the main concern.
How many rounds are involved in this pageant?
See, basically, it's a different rounds where contestant has to go with talent round also. Secondly, they have a talent round, and we have one-to-one interview also. For a finale, it's going to be a 3 round. So first will be an Indian wear, ethnic wear, we promote in Indian culture. Second will be a swimwear, and third will be a tuxedo, where then later on we'll divide 36 into top 18, and top 18 goes as a top 5. The Hypebeast Hotel, who is my hospitality partner, and my grooming partners team, you as well, the team from South. I'm very grateful that you guys are a part of my team. And in such COVID situation, now also we are able to make this even a grand success, and I'm sure we will do. So that's the biggest thing, and I thank you and all the media who's present here to come and let these things to be promoted and make an awareness to people. Yes, there is something happening on the right platform and with right. Very happy that I'm getting all the opportunity to one for a national level of engagement. So I feel proud that.
And because you people being from the straight community to support the LGBT community and to make it much more prominent is a very surprising fact, because not many people do that.
Yes.
It's mostly exploitation or for cause, but this is something which is much more nicer because the people are all together in a group.
Talent has no caste or no category. It has to be a talent. I always believe in that.
So much about the event when it's happening.
It's happening from 5th to 8th of April in Goa, Hypebeast Hotel in Module. And it's a 4 days activity where the contestants first, when they arrive, they will be having their COVID test, and then all protocols of COVID will be followed. Where every contestant will go to all norms, and then the training starts from their ramp training to the grooming. Each and every factor, from the fitness or to a ramp or to the photo shoot, is being done by Amit Khanna, which is one of the India's leading photographers. He's going to shoot them. And then we have a movie direction part also, the acting talent round. And we are also promoting a culture of India. It's not about a pageant where we are promoting as we are doing it in Goa. So we are promoting a local culture also, because Goa is not only about rings or beach. There are a lot of cultures which is there. So our main target is to bring up the cultures of Indian territory also. So that's the event. It's going to be for 4 days. Grand finale will be on 8th of April in Goa itself. It's going to be later telecast on Indian Today, because they are part of media also, where we are making a series and everything for the people. And once the winners announced, they will go and represent India internationally in future coming months. So that's all we
Being called for big pageants, even though we've done so much of work, we've traveled so much, we've made a name. It's nice that people from the north recognize it, respect us, and call us to be a part of such a big organization, which is a very feel-good factor, A. And secondly, it's very nice that people from our state, from the south, are actually representing us on a national platform, which is a little more bigger, because before we didn't have the kind of recognition. Other than that, நிறைய pageants are coming, a lot of pageants are diluting the entire pageantry industry, which is very wrong. And I'm very happy that Mr. Pankaj has actually stepped forward and said that, okay, fine, the real deal is here.
Yes, of course.
So that is a very good thing that we have, and on behalf of the entire state, on behalf of everybody over here, and to the media who will be getting this entire interview to be telecasted, I would like to say one thing is just that Chennai is no lesser than any other city. We're all a part of the same country, and it's very nice that Mr. Pankaj is bringing that factor much more to the light.
So that's true. See, Chennai has a lot of talent, and I've seen from the contestants also, and from you and from the team member as well. So I feel it's just the right time and right place for a platform to introduce and happen. So that's more important, and I feel privileged to be associated. Thank you.
Sorry.
About the event also.
Yeah, before the event, as Guru South, we're really happy because we started this a couple of years ago, and we're so keen on bringing on more talents. I'm pretty sure this is the first step.
Of course, and you all, I think as a
Great
team,
team.
we're going to make it a great success for the coming future. And real talent, it's very important because nowadays a lot of pageants are happening. And it's important where they get to the base where they represent their country internationally. And Rubru has been tied up with more than 15 international titles for male and 7 for female. And not only we promote phenomenal talent, we also give an opportunity for disabled people to be a part of a talent with the same kind of respect, everything, and there are disabled contestants also with this Mr. India.
And something about the LGBT thing that you were talking about.
Yes. Every year we promote some kind of cause. Rubru is always into Save Girl Child and Girl Education. This year